Tools that can transform your boring video into professional one. Tools that make your editing very simple with a single click. Tools that you don't need to put the hours of edit in short form video.
The tools that make your audio to something like this to
this and sound very professional. Video editing is a tool to create a story all over the internet, and we are in a loop of creating something similar video from our favorite creator and start searching about a tutorial all over the internet. In the past, when AI was not introduced to world, I would sit in a chair and start editing my client video, which could take me an hour or even days to complete. So I had to work extremely hard to complete the task and make those effects. And now that I have quit freelancing, I am focusing on building my own personal brand. And year after year, the AI got introduced. And from the start, some AI tool I use daily into my day-to-day editing. One of my go-to tools is the Adobe Premiere Pro Auto Reframe. To achieve this effect, you need to select the mean sequence, right-click and select the Auto Reframe option. Then add the format, which is 9:16, and click OK. Make all the options the default one and it will automatically reframe your video into short form content. Speaking of short form content, we are struggling to adding the subtitle into your short form video. And Submagic is one of the useful AI tools that you can upload your short form video and automatically generate your subtitle. You just need to upload your video in Submagic and it automatically produces a subtitle according to you. You could edit the text or you could customize the template and correct your subtitle according to you. But it's paid. If you regularly need to add subtitle into your short form video for yourself or your client, this Submagic tool is very useful. So click on the link in the description and use it and let me know how you like it. But if you are a normal creator and don't have money to invest in this AI tool, then you can watch this video where you can customize your subtitle in Premiere Pro, which is free. If this video so far gave value to you, please like this video and subscribe this channel so it can spread to more people. After adding subtitle, now it's time to understand how to enhance your audio. This audio enhancement tool is very useful for me. I understand that most of the people are telling me over the internet to use Adobe enhancement for my audio. Earlier I don't know how much enhancement I need to use in my audio, but now I get it. You can use the audio enhancement around 30 to 40% in this tool, and after that you need to add parametric equalizer, multiband compression and many effects that make your sound professional. So how could you use this Adobe enhancement tool? Simply go to the Adobe podcast, click on the enhancement tool and upload your audio. It automatically recalculate your audio and make it 40% and download it. If you ever seen a video on the internet that shows how could you trim the silence in your video and audio, and I will show you how could you achieve this free under a second. Simply generate the text in Adobe Premiere Pro and go to the text and select the silence in it. Then drop down this and select the pause one. And after selecting the silence, click the delete all pause and click delete all the pause into the video. And it will take a second to remove the silence from your video. And this saves a lot of time while cleaning your silence into your audio. This AI tool have greatly improved my video editing process, making it more efficient and allowing me to produce higher quality videos. Speaking of higher quality video, you should watch this video to make your video more efficient.